My friend, super sad songs for soloing. Now, this is going to be in the key of D major. We're going to be playing a 1 chord, a 2 chord, a 3 chord, and a 4 chord. And we're going to be showing how to do that 2 different ways. Now, there are more chords than that, but we're utilizing the major 1, the minor 2, the minor 3, and then the major 4. So being able to use D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D, those are all the notes of the Ionian scale, the major scale. But we're going to start off this adventure from the last scale note, the C sharp. Now, rather than playing it up high, play it down low. If you complete the D major scale, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, you get a mode called Locrian, and it feels weird. Listen to it. That half step is where you kind of want to see all of your musical magic happen. So when playing a progression like, even though it seems very simple, a 1, 2, 3, 4 progression, you can put a melody over the top. That has a little bit more of a, let's say, Eastern feel than it does a Western feel of establishing whole steps, half steps. Reason being, when we do this, it's going to be a half step as our first movement, then a whole step, then a whole step, and then a half. There are only 2 other modes in a major scale which kind of do this half step movement in the beginning, so the ear naturally hears the tension that's being built by that. Try and play that over the progression of the D major, the 1 chord, goes super slow. You can play the E minor, the F sharp minor, or the G major, And what I want to do is show you how to do that same progression, just move it up the fretboard. Here we go. We're going to play the D major. This time we're going to throw the high D up there. When we keep that bar and we add what looks like the D minor shape, we get our E minor. Moving that a whole step away, or a major second, gives us an F sharp minor. Again, same chord. It just has a different intonation, has a higher feel on it. And then when we move up a half step for our 4th scale degree, if we put our first finger on the 5th fret and then bar all 3 of these with our finger making it flat. Easiest way to do this chord is to practice the D major like this, using 1 finger over all 3 of these, and make sure you lift it up to keep that A string open. When you practice that with all of your fingers, dare I say even the pinky, you do get a little stronger doing it. So, not that I'm ever going to really use the pinky, but it is good being able to press it down, yada yada. I hope you enjoyed this melody. Remember, we're playing a 1, 2, 3, 4 progression. D, E minor, F sharp minor, G major.